Hi everybody, it's Reina with WTI and I want to show you my amazing computer. It's the Legend 2022-7. It's a gaming computer and I love this computer. The best computer that I've ever had, and like you see here, it's a very robust computer and it's a gaming computer, but not just for gaming. This computer helps me a lot in my professional life. It's capable of handling demanding tasks like content creation, video editing, and multitasking with easy. It's also very good computer for the purpose of this computer, that is gaming, because handle graphically intensive game and also comes with professional software application. And I also love all the lights that have this computer in the keyboard and in the board, also in the fan vents. It's very unique computer and very modern computer. So I can tell this computer is the best computer I ever had. And if you are looking for a professional computer for gaming or working editing, this is the perfect computer, trust me. And that is my point of view.